Okay, I've got all my pistons cleaned up with this one. Figured I'd do a video of this and polishing the crank, hopefully. Not sure yet. If I'm going to do that all in the same video or not. But we're just taking the rings off. I got all the others cleaned up. And I'm sure other people may have other ways. They may claim they have better ways. And I'm sure there are better ways. One way I know for sure that would be better is if I had a high-speed lathe and the right grit emery cloth or polishing cloth, and I could make these things look like polished aluminum. Those are full floating pins in case you're wondering about that play there. But all I want to do is get the carbon off and take some Scotch-Brite, some WD-40, and get the scratches and a little bit of gold off the side of those. I've got a razor blade around here somewhere. Thought I did. There it is. And I'm just going to start by scraping the heaviest of the carbon off the top of it. Don't worry, we're not damaging the surface or anything like that. It's not caked on too hard. And I'm going to take some lacquer thinner, which I put in a squirt can here. And that, just to get the heaviest of that stuff off. Keep that still. Razor blade put some scratches in, but the emery cloth or the Scotch-Brite will get rid of that. Take a little WD-40. Clean the top first. Actually, this red stuff here is a little bit better. That green stuff, I'm not sure. I guess it's not as coarse. I forgot where I got the green Scotch-Brite at, but this red here, I bought it from AutoZone. Seems to work a little better for this. Not trying to get a professional polish job here, just clean them up. These pistons never have been polished up like they should be. Really you should take brand new ones and you can make them look like glass, kind of like a polished intake would look like on a show car or something. If you can get them that smooth, I guess the good thing about it is the carbon probably wouldn't stick to it as much. But this is just an old bracket motor. It's been together for a long time. And I'm just going to take this Scotch-Brite and go around here, get all the carbon and stains off the side where the ring grooves are. And then I'm going to turn it up on its side. Pretty good scratch right there. This one isn't as scratched up as bad as some of the others were. Let's see if I can zero the camera in a little bit. Not sure how well you can see on video. I'll know when I edit the video. Yeah, we don't want to go too crazy. I guess even Scotch-Brite removes a little bit of metal off of aluminum. And as you can see, you almost can't see the scratches now. Just smooths them back out in case they got a little bit of gold on them. Whenever they're scratching, there's golding and burrs on it. Just want to get rid of that. Easy to do with aluminum because it cuts so easy. As you can see, except for right there, scratches are almost gone. Okay, now we got to clean all our grit off, get everything shined up. Good as I'm going to get it, the way I'm doing it. First, I start off with lacquer thinner, and lacquer thinner does tend to, it cuts good and dries quick, doesn't have an oily. Hope I'm not getting that on my camera because it'll ruin a lens in the screen. So I need to replace that old camera. And you see a few little rust spots there I still need to get rid of. I do lacquer thinner to get rid of all the dirt, and then follow up with either brake cleaner or carb cleaner. In this case, brake cleaner was on sale. You really want to get up in that wrist pin, make sure there's no dirt or grit up in there, blow all that out. Then I'll go to my air hose, blast it all clean, and that'll be it. And there we are, all cleaned up, wiped off with a clean rag or shirt, which has now been retired as a shirt duty and is now rag. I'll just stick this on for now. With these Eagle rods, you have these little bushings right here that'll line everything. Just got to get it started, and if you got good and straight, you can just kind of smack it together like that. And we'll leave like everything like that until I'm ready to start file fitting my rings and stuff like that. And all the pistons I've cleaned, I'm kind of soaking them down with WD-40 because they'll sit here for maybe, I don't know how much longer, until I'm ready to do that. And I set this over with the rest of them. And there they all are. All the pistons are clean. Next thing to do is the crank.